Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Bank of America debit card PIN, quick fix step by step clearly. To reset your Bank of America debit card PIN, start by locating your debit card. Ensure that you have your card and any necessary identification ready. Next, visit a Bank of America ATM. Insert your debit card into the machine. Choose the option for Forgot PIN on the ATM screen. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may need to enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once your identity is confirmed, proceed to create a new PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm your selection. The ATM will then process your request and provide a confirmation message. After that, remove your card from the ATM. Your new PIN should now be activated and ready for use. If you prefer, you can also reset your PIN through the Bank of America mobile app. Log into the app and navigate to your account settings. Look for the option to change your debit card PIN. Follow the displayed instructions to update your PIN through the app. If you encounter any issues, consider calling Bank of America's customer service for assistance. Make sure to keep your new PIN confidential for your security. Now your Bank of America debit card is ready for use with a new PIN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.